esteemed awardees, I extend my sincere gratitude to our guest of honor, the Honorable Professor Dong Xuan, Justice of Peace, Secretary for Innovation, Technology and Industry.
Since its launch in 2022, the Hong Kong HKEST Award has shone a spotlight on the brilliance and dedication of the innovators who are shaping the future of engineering and the technology in Hong Kong. This award is much more than just recognition. It plays a pivotal role in identifying the engineering and Hong Kong talent and strengthening Hong Kong's innovation and technology landscape.
Now, our first awardee is Professor Alan Man Ho Au. Our second awardee is Professor Choi Jung Hong Jonathan. Our next awardee is Professor Chai Kin Man Kevin. Fourth one, the awardee is Professor Chai Ji Yin Evan. The next one is Professor Huang Peng. Finally, we have the team from the Hong Kong Airport Authority.
It's my great honor to deliver the closing remarks for today's Hong Kong Engineering, Science and Technology Award ceremony and the distinguished lectures. We are also grateful to the awardees for sharing their work and insights through the distinguished lectures. Through their presentations, they give us deeper understanding of their work and share their passion. Let's continue to work together to support talent, encourage innovative collaborations, and open up new opportunities in engineering. Thank you.